I got something to say, 'cause it ain't over until she sings. You had your reasons, you had a few, but you know that I would go anywhere.
Good things. Tonight we go all night long. We party like Post Malone.